Hey guys, welcome back to Geet Vlogs. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Welcome to my channel. And today, as you all know, that I'm in Nepal, my hometown. And today we are my family members. We all are planning to go to, the jungle and do a picnic. So, and I'm thinking of capturing this event. If you see this flower. So yes, I'm thinking of capturing this event today, and I'll take you around the jungle in my village. It's a very beautiful, peaceful area, and my family members all are getting ready there. They are almost ready. We packed puri, sabji, and we are planning to make Maggie in there itself. We have an option to put fire and cook also. So I hope you guys will enjoy watching the video. So stay tuned. Are you ready to go to picnic? Yes?
I'm going to picnic.
Where are you going?
I'm going to rock climbing.
Rock climbing. Okay. So here my cutie pie Rian is ready. My brother Liju is also ready. Okay. And Jyoti and Ram, Mama and Daddy, they are also ready to go. Chale mummy. हो गई पापा तैयारी चलो दरवाजा लॉक कर दिया and then now we are moving from here. Okay, so our gang is ready to go for picnic. See my gang, I'm so lucky. Rian, Kian, everyone. Okay, so guys, from here, like we have to walk somewhere around half an hour, and then we will reach, and then we will put the mat. We got our food already, water, everything, and then we will enjoy a lot over there.
Let's play, guys. Are you enjoying? इंजीनियर पुल बनाने के आए हैं अभी.
चलो ओहो कितना अच्छा आ रहा है व्यू यार. वाह उधर वो जो पानी उधर से आ रहा है उसका, और ये कितना प्यारा है. रूट बहुत अच्छा सा है जाने के लिए. फुल नेचर ग्रीनरी. हाँ एक मिनट आई. चलो 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 एक सेकंड. यस रियान कम.
Jump. तो ये नेचुरली ब्यूटीफुल है. ये जो पेड़ है डैडी के ग्रैंडफादर.
Daddy's grandfather.
So my great grandfather.
Great grandfather.
And his great
grandfather planted this बर पीपल का पेड़ है ना. और यहाँ पे पापा क्या है शादी करवाई थी. वाह कितना अच्छा काम है ना. बर पीपल के पेड़ के उस नीचे ना कितना वो
बर पीपल दे आर नोन फॉर 24/7
वर्शिप करते हैं ना. हाँ वर्शिप करते हैं.
mythology worship this.
Right tree. Yes we will be worship this tree. Right
And
exactly.
it's very important for ecology.
Exactly.
That's why in Nepal there is a tradition people used to marry these bar and people.
Right exactly. Okay. It will still take like 10 more minutes to reach Kini. Are you enjoying your vacation? Show me. Yes, early lovely. What did you find here? What is this?
But it would be smelly.
Smelly? Okay, so we have a lot of this here.
And then it's smelly.
Ole mera gulla. Oh, a musician. Musician. हाँ पूरा वो चिपकता है ना.
चिपकता है.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली गोंद है ना. हाँ राइट. और ये वाला जो था ये जो ट्रेन चीड़ का पेड़ बोलते हैं इसको. if we see, they have put in this. Okay, so we reached. Take it. So we reached to the location where we will be sitting. Almost reached. Just 5 more minutes now. And it is beautiful.
So guys, after traveling such a long time, we are just here to just have some food. Oranges. So Himalayan oranges.
Yeah, from our house.
Yes, you like it?
Yeah.
How does it taste? Orange. Kina, what are you doing? Kina, don't worry. Tuti. Daddy, what are you doing?
बैठने के लिए, right? And this is the mat because this mat is very small. So we got the leaves. पूरा जुआर. Yeah. Okay. चलो. Puri is ready, sabji and everything. Let's have here and then we will go towards the mountain. Okay, हमारी पूरी सब्जी and हमारी प्यारी सी फैमिली. कैसा लग रहा है बिजू? Good. मजा आ रहा है खाने में जंगलों में बैठ के, है ना? Rian, how is it? Look here. Ramjyoti enjoying? Kian, how is it? Kian is super happy. Very nice. चलो खाना खा के फिर चलते हैं ऊपर, ठीक है? Okay, now it's Rian's turn.
Yes, yes.
One, two. So we moved from that location now. We are going to another location. We are just trying to climb a little more higher, and from there we can see beautiful sceneries, mountains. We'll go there. We are planning to make Maggie. We will be cooking Maggie hopefully, and then we will go. So we are moving to another location.
हाँ पापा.
So we saw one tree. In this tree you will see this. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे गणेश जी का सूंड नहीं होता, बिल्कुल सूंड जैसा लग रहा है. ये देखो बिल्कुल सूंड जैसा लग रहा है. बड़े पेड़ में कितना अच्छे से लग रहा है.
After traveling a long time, this is the sitting area where we can sit. This is the mango peड़.
Okay. What Mama is doing? So we reached to this top, and this is very nice, very beautiful location here, and you can see, oh, it's too sunny actually, so I don't think so it will be visible much, but let me show you a few more things. There are people who are cutting the grass for their animals. And this is what they cut it so far. They will take this home for cows, for goats, for buffalo to feed them. Okay, so we will go a little bit down. What happened? Got it! Oh, can. Wow, see the view here? So beautiful. Amazing. From there, if you see, this is the Ganga Ji, which we saw from the other side. It's like this, like this. चलो तो पहले आप काटो थे, फिर मैं देखती हूँ. ला ला ला. लपट है ना मुझे. लपटी फास्ट फास्ट काटना चाहिए. वाव, कति का. तो ब्यूटी से काटा. नंदबाजी को घाँस कति कले चढे मुठु पुर्याउने है. It is so steep and so, risky, but still they are cutting the tree, and so deep. See, it's very, very steep.
Gorkhali can climb anywhere.
Gorkhali can climb anywhere.
Gorkhalands.
Gorkhalands, yeah.
They can climb anywhere. Get inside the tree.
Yeah.
So guys, you can see in a very hilltop they have built their houses. People are residing here. It's a very beautiful place. Azur, last day, Ava.
This is how people take. So this one,
Raw material collected from
those trees, salt trees, yes. So they will be
Thank
selling
you so
them.
much right now, and this is taken care by forest reserves, and it's sold in the market. And this is generally used for the paint,
Paint,
paint and some
Fabriquics and all, glues and gums.
This is gross.
Yes, gross, yes. Wow, so many.
So without disturbing the forest, they are collecting those things.
That's
Anything is forest,
perfect.
and it's very precisely it's collect without harming any kind of biodiversity.
And without
It's a
cutting
good
the
thing.
trees, right?
Our Nepal government is doing these days.
So done for the day. पूरा दिन घूम घाम के आए, but we couldn't make Maggie. We couldn't cook Maggie because we were so tired and we didn't get the proper place to sit and cook. So that's why we reached home now. Kids are also very tired. We are tired. Now we'll make chai and then we will do rest of the things. I hope you enjoy watching the video. I'm really tired today.
Finally, we are back home.
Back home, yeah.